She's struggling.
Because you're flying to here last time. That's a fucking ride in the baby. I heard those noises before. You guys want to go home? You guys want to get in a back while I drive? I might break something. You know what I mean, right? Yes, that's what I'm saying is you know what I mean? You might break it down by yourself. You might be breaking something. Stop pressing, please.
Oh boy.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Now we're. Oh yeah, we got it. Not a problem. Let's go right through it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Stop it!
I don't think it was you.
She didn't care about her hand, she caught it.
Oh shit.
Lord.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
We got this.
Good girl. Atta girl.
We got this. Go over a little bit. Get on the soft bed. It's dry up. We're flying around this corner. We're doing probably about 40 around this corner.
This shit's a lot rougher than the last time we were out here.
Yeah, somebody marked a tree with one of them Steelers cup holders, the sleeves on them. There we go. I ain't sticking my hands out the window. Just don't. Hey, Dad. We would have jumped right off in there. Stop my head. You took it out. You took it out, Dad. You took it out. Alright, stop first. See how much damage you put in it.